So hello everyone, let's start with our series roadmap to become competitive programmer. So in this video I'll be solving 9th problem, sales season. I am DRI this week in my company, so I'm getting calls.
From Splunk on call, you have 3 incidents, 3 host S. The last 3 incidents are Trident Q3 critical, Trident Q2 critical, Trident Q1 critical.
Okay, there is a queue system, Trident queue, which has got which is in critical state basically. I'll just make this video and after 5 minutes I'll look into that. So let's try to understand this, what it is saying. Sale season, problem name, and it is the sale season again, and chef bought items worth a total of X rupees. The sale season offers as follows. So if X is less than equal to 100, then there is no discount. No discount. If X is greater than 100 and less than equal to 1k 1000, discount is 25 rupees. And if X is greater than 1000 and less than equal to 5000, then discount is 100 rupees. Okay, if X is greater than 5000, then discount is 500 rupees. So find the final amount chef needs to pay for his shopping. Okay, so chef has bought a total of X rupees, so we need to find in which range it lies, and accordingly we have to give a discount to him, and we need to find what is the price that chef has paid for his shopping. So it says first line of input contains a single integer t denoting number of test cases. Let's take t. While t minus 1, this will take care of all the test cases, and each test case contains a single line of input integer x. So let's take c in as x, and let's try to understand the example. So there are basically 4 test cases, and chef has bought a 15 rupees. So when he bought 15 rupees, so it lies in this range. X is less than 100, so there is no discount given to him. So he will be spending all 15 rupees. Okay. Now let's go to the second example. It says 70 rupees. Okay, again it lies in this range. X is less than 100, so no discount is given to chef. So he'll be spending whole 70 rupees. Now let's take this 250, third example. So if you see here, 250 lies in this range. Okay, chef has got 250 rupees, but he'll get 25 rupees discount. So which means he'll be spending 250 minus 25, right? So in total he'll be spending only 225 rupees, which is our answer here, as you can see. Now let's take 1000 case. Again 1000 lies in this range. Okay, so x is 1000, so it lies in this range. So now he'll get a discount of 25 rupees. So in total, if you see, 1000 minus 25 is basically 975 rupees. So chef will be paying only 975 rupees. So which is our answer. So I think you got pretty much what is the problem statement. Given the value of x, we need to find in which range it lies, and we'll have to just subtract the discount value, and that is the amount that chef will be paying in the sale season basically. So we got here chef. We'll have to see here, if x is less than equals to 100, then he'll be spending whole money. Okay, all x rupees will be spending, so we'll have to see out as x. Now let's see else if. Now x, if x is greater than 100 and x is less than equals to 1000, this is our second case. Okay, in that case chef will be spending how much rupees? X minus, which is 25 rupees discount, so he'll be spending 25 discount. So this will have to print it. Now let's go to the third case. So this is the case, if x is greater than 1000 and x is less than equals to what is the 5000. Here it is 5000. So if it is less than equals to 5000, in that case chef will be getting discount as 100 rupees. So we'll have to print out x minus 100. So this much is the amount that chef will be spending in the sale. Else at the end, so it lies in this range, which means x is greater than 5000. So in that case we'll have to out as x minus 500 because 500 is the discount given to chef. So yeah, pretty much this is the problem. Now let's try to run the code. So we are getting same as 15, 72, 25, 975, 15, 72, 25, 975. Again I'm getting call. Let me see what is the critical. Let me try to first submit the code here. So yeah, it got accepted, and this was more of you need to learn if else statement, that's it, and accordingly discounts had to be subtracted. And yeah, pretty much this is the problem how you'll have to solve this. And thank you guys for watching my video, and if you find anything that you need to give me feedback and I'll have to improve myself, you can put in comment. And if you also come across the best solution of like let's say whatever I am teaching, if you find the code that you have written is more optimal, you can comment in this video, and then I'll try to pin that comment so that everyone knows okay, this is the optimal solution. Yeah, thank you guys for watching my video.